Hey guys, welcome to techENT. So Acer sent us a little something and we're about to unbox it. Acer's Swift series has always been about thin and light. Just recently, however, that formula is getting a supercharge with Acer's Swift X lineup. The new Swift X series is marrying portability and performance, and you know that saying X marks the spot? Well, this might just be the case with this laptop. Hey there, Jeevan here from techENT, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Acer Swift X14. So the Acer Swift X14 is bringing performance to the thin and light form factor. It's not a brand new concept for Acer. In fact, this particular version is a refresh of the first ever Swift X. This version comes with a 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H with 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, and it's even got Nvidia's RTX 4050. This setup gives it enough power to do everyday computing tasks like word processing, Excel, and PowerPoint without hassle. Let's not be coy about it. It'll power through this task and then some. But where it will shine is when you jump into creative work like video editing using the Adobe Suite, or even rendering things on apps like Blender and AutoCAD. Thanks to the RTX 4050 laptop GPU inside, it'll be able to run these graphically intense tasks smoothly. You'll also be able to take advantage of things like DLSS and ray tracing. Of course, the GPU and processor is nothing if you don't have the correct display to use it with. The screen is a 14-inch 2.8K OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's also color accurate with 100% coverage of the DCI-P True color gamut. And it also has VISA Display HDR True Black 500 certification. I know that seems like a lot of jargon, but essentially what it means is that this screen is able to produce deep blacks, and on top of that, it'll be able to reproduce color more accurately and on a wider spectrum, making it perfect for those who create content. Of course, when it comes to content creation, we need our ports. And the Swift X14 has a full array of ports despite its thin form factor. It comes with two USB-C ports that support charging at 5 volts and 3 amps. So you should be able to charge it with a 65-watt GAN charger in a pinch. Thunderbolt 4 also supports high-resolution displays and up to 40 gigabits high-speed data transfer. When it comes to wireless connectivity, the laptop supports Wi-Fi 6E, which should give you ample speed for uploading and working off the cloud. It's also got Bluetooth 5.1 for fast file transfers and even connecting wirelessly to your smartphone or noise-cancelling headphones. This laptop also comes with a full HD webcam with temporal noise reduction for when you need to jump on a video conference and presentation. So, Acer claims that this laptop has 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. But now that we've got the specs out of the way, let's talk about the build. It's clearly a very pretty laptop. I'm definitely a fan of the finish that Acer has given this laptop. It feels premium and sturdy, and this aluminium chassis is definitely a plus. But one thing that I like about this off the bat is that the premium feel of this laptop is also thanks to a significant amount of recycled materials being used in this laptop itself. That is essentially the Acer Swift X14. So tell us what you think about this laptop in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure you get all the latest content from techENT.